we're over at the Dickerson? We're at the zoo. And I've got the animal fanatic who's still in awe that there's trees here in Missouri. So, should be fun watching him react to all the animals here. So we're spending a couple hours here at the Dickerson Park Zoo in Springfield. Been here a couple times, done a couple videos. So this is kind of play with the new camera day. But Peter's really excited because it's green here and he's used to desert.
Yep.
So should be fun. And yes, one thing you can see, lots of flamingos. There's one hiding there. There's 3 on the sidewalk. There's one right there. Nice and close. You gonna pose for me?
You accidentally said flamingo.
There he is. And their colors are bright right now. So we've got one trying to show off for the girls here. He's a little young yet, so he doesn't have the full tail. But he's sure trying. Got a ways to go there, bud. And this is who he's showing off for. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what this one's doing out. I don't think this is where he's supposed to be.
Hello.
But my nephew is like, it's a bird.
It's cute.
Waddle, 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 waddle. It's kind of walking like I'm walking right now. Waddle, waddle, waddle. There is a beautiful bird. A mean bird, but a beautiful one.
Wow. Oh, he's stretching his foot for you.
Oh, and then of course, look, peacocks.
The baby ones, and then there's duckies over there.
Duckies. Not just ducks. Duckies.
Yes.
Swan. So for the bird watchers, we've got all sorts of them here. We've got different kinds of ducks. And then we've got a goose who's kind of hiding at the moment. We've got more ducks hiding right there. And just some really pretty birds. So, you know the funniest part so far? Is listening to this guy going, ooh, ducky!
They're duck. They do look black.
It's almost as bad as my daughter.
Oh my goodness, it's a parrot! Oh, hello, pig. So there's a parrot over there.
Those aren't parrots.
They look like parrots.
They're macaws.
And there's monkeys over there.
And pigs.
Oh, hello.
There's monkeys over there. There's a monkey right there.
What'd I do?
So my wife's favorite part of the zoo, the macaws. She loves macaws. They're loud. They're obnoxious. They make a big mess, but they're beautiful.
They're very, very floopy boys.
Just be aware, if you think that you want one of these for home, they're loud, lots of messy, lots of obnoxiousness.
They're very much bird-like.
So it's a bit chilly today. Right now I think it's like 40 degrees. And yet these little guys are still very much active. Maybe it's because they've captured an even bigger one, who probably hears jokes like that a lot.
And then I gotta take a picture of the kangaroos.
The roos?
Hello.
Here, you can get closer to the roos down here.
How's your Australian accent, Uncle George? You gotta call one over.
Tie me kangaroo down, sport. Tie me kangaroo down. Okay, old song. Had to sing for you, Craig. There they are. The one nice thing being here in the morning and when it's cooler is they're actually active versus just sleeping and snoozing. You notice they're sharing their space too with more peacocks. Yeah, there's a lot of peacocks here.
Hello.
So this is the petting zoo area where you can feed if you want, because don't they look familiar?
Hi, I do not.
Or friendly. They're kind of just staring. I don't blame them.
Would you like a pat pat? Would you like a pat?
They probably want food.
Yeah, that's probably what they want, but like, pat.
So when you want to feed them, first thing you gotta do is you gotta get a token. And then after you get the token, then you go to the feeding machine. Drop in your token, turn the crank, no gumballs, just feed.
Okay.
And then you get to come over, and then suddenly these animals will probably start to like you.
Hello, I don't want to feed you just yet. Mr. Alpaca, would you like that?
Or at least the sheep will come over.
Hello, how do I feed you?
Just take a piece and drop it right there. The goats are looking very anxious too.
There you go. I would like to feed the sheep. Hello sheep, I got this number. No, I would like to feed the sheep. Oh, now you want to come.
Yes, now they want to come.
Stay out. Or do I just toss it in?
Yeah, you can hold it in your hand and they'll take it right out of your hand too.
Okay, here you go.
I said they'll eat all of it if you're not careful.
Oh, you scared me. Here, I'll just be safe because I don't want to...
Yes, this is normal for him. And now the goats are coming over.
Hello, you want some? I'll toss them over.
Give it to them.
Oh.
You toss it and it ends up in other places.
Do I just...
Yep, and they'll lick it right out.
You like one?
And now you're Mr. Popular.
Hello, you would like to have some too, right? No, he wants some. Let him get some. I'll give you some. Because you look ridiculous.
That's why he does it. He's very good about that. And this one's just pawing away. Please notice me.
Would you like some nom nom? I'm sorry. His eyes. Oh my goodness, you're so cute.
You gotta get a little closer, Peter.
I'm scared.
He won't hurt you. They wouldn't be in a petting zoo if they could hurt you.
There you go. Oh, you don't want to get head pats.
No, they just want food.
Yeah, well...
And now they're all gonna be disappointed with you.
Yeah, I got no more food.
That's okay. They're excited about the other kid coming.
Yeah. Oh.
So they do have a coop with chickens. If I can. Yes, there's a chicken hiding there. There's also Mr. Rooster and his babes.
May I pick them up?
No.
Oh.
But this guy's got it together. He's got 3 of them. He must feel like something special.
You're very cute, Mr. Chicken.
I love how they just go right between the bench so they can get back into their coop. A little hard to see with the sun, but
hello, Mr.
there's a ram there.
Peacock. That's very, very high.
And Peter's getting excited about another peacock because it's visiting the kookaburras. Like right on top of the kookaburras. And there's your kookaburra. And then I'm kind of curious as to what he's doing up there. Did this ram get in trouble? Because he's isolated. Probably a bad boy.
Yeah.
He's in solitary.
He didn't share his nom nom at nom nom time.
And we have our bald eagle. This one was actually injured out in the wild, so it is a rescue. And it won't ever be able to return to the wild. It's got a badly injured wing. It can do an occasional, very short flight hop inside this cage, but it doesn't fly normal, so it will be here, taken care of. But yes, you can see how big they actually are. Always fun when they're active. I don't know, Peter, have you seen river otters before?
At our zoo we have otters, and at SirWillow they have otters, but I haven't seen river otters.
Yeah, I don't think they're river otters at those.
is the river puppers. River doggos. They're so cute. They're playing. Oh, when Anna sees this, she's gonna be like, "Hey, it's a sea otter!" I'll be like, "No, they're river otters, you dummy." Oh, hello, you swarmy boys.
Up here we have the biggest cat that's native to Missouri. The Missouri tiger.
Oh.
Now, of course, maybe you're kind of going, wait, that doesn't quite sound right. Well, here, let me show you the Missouri tiger. If we can find him out here. Oh, there we go. That's your Missouri tiger.
Hello.
Native to Mizzou. Okay, yeah, it's the mascot. They're really from Asia, but...
I want to hug him. And I'm going to get mauled if I hug him.
There he
But
is.
I don't care. Him or her.
So we found the elephant. The other thing we found is a wonderful aroma. Peter's getting reminded of the fresh fragrance of Africa, shall we say. Although I think these are Asian elephants. So they have finally reopened the giraffe building, which has a couple of things like that.
Blue-tongued lizard.
And then if the giraffes were in here, they would be there. But they are all outside at the moment. Nice to know they have it open again. So you can see the lions are, well, sprawled. Yeah, I mean, can't you tell that that boy looks comfy? Okay, so Peter has his giraffe food. Basic saltine crackers. And somebody is here already.
Oh, your tongue is gnarly.
Yep, that easy. More?
Oh, hold up. I know what I'm going to do. There you go.
Alas, the reptile building is still closed. You can see the signs on the doors. Oh well. Soon. Hopefully soon.
There's a
Kind of a neat exhibit. You got the lemurs. Black and white. That's kind of laying down there. A little hard to see. Then the brown. And then you have the storks. So this is the train route. And you can see the islands in the middle with the lemurs on them. And geese making all sorts of noise. But I think we're going to go for a train ride. Let's go.
Welcome aboard the Titus Express. Please remain seated and keep arms, hands, and legs inside the train car. Dickerson Park Zoo is a wonderful outdoor adventure full of amazing animals. Kids can explore more about wildlife and wild places at zoo classes. For class and camp information, visit dickersonparkzoo.org.
Silly geese. Bird strike. See the turtles? Now he sees them.
Did you know Dickerson Park Zoo has an animal hospital, and each animal receives an annual wellness exam? Healthy diets are also important. All animals receive a well-balanced diet prepared to meet their specific nutritional needs. The Titus Express is approaching the train station. Please remain seated for the second half of the ride. Are you having fun? Turn today's admission into a Friends of the Zoo yearly pass. Friends of the Zoo members receive free admission, discounts, and invitations to Friends of the Zoo only special zoo events. Find out more at the gift shop before you leave today.
A double. So let's swing it around then, and we'll let's see the other side. With the giraffe house. Up that way is the lion. And the reptile house is right up here.
Park, C-O-O-O. Can't wait till we go. Might stay all day, and we don't know. So much to see and do. Never seen so many kinds of living things. With donkey claws, tails and leaves. Some more, some short, while others sing their songs for me and you. Learn about true diversity. It's a wildlife university. So much to see and do. At Dickerson Park Zoo. In their happy spaces, recognize their family faces, meet them on first name basis, we get to know them. Dickerson's mission is education, preservation and conservation. Get on board, participation, so rewarding. Learn about true diversity, wildlife university. So much to see and do at Dickerson Park Zoo.
Up the hill here is where they keep the really wild animals. That's the human picnic area and playground.
Thank you for riding the Titus Express. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop and the engineer dismisses you. Make sure you have all your belongings before leaving. So much to see and do at Dickerson Park Zoo.
And so, of course, the last stop, gift shop. Yep, gotta get the souvenirs. And since Peter hasn't been here before, he's the one really shopping.
Yeah.
So, ladies first.
Oh, I see.
Hello. It is a nice little gift shop. So lots of plush. And all sorts of little things. Alright, so we got the souvenirs. He's got a couple gifts for home. Give me the close-ups here.
Okay, so we got the turtle. An alligator snapping turtle, one of my favorites types of turtle. We got a wolf for my brother because he likes doggies, and then I got an owl for my sister.
Okay. And all told, it came out to about $22. So not too bad. So there's a quick little trip around the Dickerson Park Zoo. We were out here for about 2 hours or so, 2.5 hours. Saw almost everything, got a couple rides on the train, got to get some souvenirs for the family back in California. It's a nice little zoo, it really is. It's not an all-day one unless you really want to take your time to see the animals, but great time seeing them. Had a lot of fun. If you're in the area and you want a nice little zoo, Dickerson's the one to come to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. God bless.